Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about very important topic, that is Facebook Pixel. Okay, so everyone needs to know if you have a website, if you have a funnel, or if you have a e-commerce store, right? It's okay. And yeah, I'm Raman Kumar. I run Facebook ads. I generate sales for e-commerce brands by leveraging the power of Facebook ads and funnels. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so what is a Facebook Pixel? Facebook Pixel is just a tracking device, okay, used by Pixel to track the performance of your website, right, of your funnel. What it do? What does it do? It tracks the visitors who visit your website, like their actions, what actions they are performing, if they are is they are they adding the product to their cart or not, or they have visited to initiate checkout page or not, or they have bought you from you or not, right? So why it is important to install a pixel on your website, funnel, or store? uh, for example, it is okay if you are not running Facebook ads, it doesn't matter, right? But install Facebook pixel. Why? If you install Facebook pixel on your website, so Facebook start tracking your website, your store, from now and then, okay? Then it will get warmed up, you know. It will then Facebook will have the whatever your organic traffic is will visit your website, of course, right? Whatever you are doing, whatever your source of traffic, if it may be Instagram, social media, okay, it can be SEO, or Google ads, right? So Facebook will get to know what kind of people are visiting your website, right? This is the data Facebook will fetch from your website. Facebook will track the visitors of your website. It will track the what is the behavior of the visitors, what are their interest, okay? W- are they purchasing from you or not, okay? And what and are they adding the product to their cart or not, right? What they are doing basically on your website, okay? So what you can do of this data, see, when you have a store and running and having organic traffic, and you are having sales, and you have installed pixel but not running ads, then Facebook will, with the time, Facebook will know that the consumer behavior, or that your website people need, right? What kind of people visit your website. So when you in future run Facebook ads, it will give you a huge benefit. It will give you a upper hand, right? You can create a custom audience. See, for example, I visited your website, and I visited a specific product. For example, I visited a product, shoe product, right? And I added this shoe in my cart, but I didn't purchase that. So what you can do, if I am on Facebook, then you can retarget me on Facebook by using the custom audience. That, see, this is the power of Pixel. It is collecting data of every user, what actions they have on. So you can retarget them on Facebook. This, I am the low hanging fruit for light. You can uh, easily catch me. Easily you can push me to buy that shoe which I added to my cart, right? So this is the very important part of Facebook. So install I will advise you to install pixel on your website, no matter if you're running ads or not right now, but it will give you a huge benefit in future. And you can create different types of audience. You can create audience of people who visited your site but did nothing, okay? And you can create a specific audience of people who only added to their cart, who only did add to cart action, okay? And people who went to initiate checkout and who purchased from you, right? So this will these audience, these are your audience. You can you can retarget them using Facebook ads, which will give you a huge return on investment if you run Facebook ads. So I will recommend you to install Facebook Pixel. And if you just let me know if you need my help installing that, I will create another video about on that. Okay, well, you can there are a lot of videos on that on YouTube. You can search on YouTube how to install Facebook Pixel. But if you need personally my help, then you can reach out to me anytime, right? So that's it for now. Signing off.